So you might be in this weird situation where for some reason it's telling you that your Apple ID is locked. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons, but mostly it's due to some security reason that just happened. So what you're going to want to do here is you basically want to go ahead and you're going to have to change your password. So you can either go ahead and click on the unlock account little pop-up that comes up on your iPhone, or what you can do, based on Apple's own website, they recommend you to actually go ahead and make your way over to your settings application. So you can just go ahead and go up to settings, and again, we're going to have to change our password. So what you want to do is you want to click on your name that's up here. So go and click on your name as you normally would, and this next panel will basically show you all this other information. Now you're going to want to click on password and security. Now there's a chance where it may tell you or prompt you to type in your password, or it's going to prompt you and tell you to actually change your password. So here, when you go ahead and do this, you can go ahead and type in your password as you normally would. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my password. Like I said, this is your older one, so it may work for you and may not. So once you go ahead and do that, you will see this little pop-up that comes up at the very top portion, and you want to go and click on change password. So go and just click on change password. This next pop-up is going to happen. It's going to tell on two-factor authentication. It's going to tell you to type in the passcode that was sent to you. And from there, that is basically the big majority of things that you're going to have to do. After you change your passcode, you should be able to see that this specific pop-up is no longer coming up. And that is basically the biggest thing that comes up time and time again. And for a lot of people, all you're going to have to do is basically just, click unlock account, and that's it. Just go ahead and click on the lock account, change your password, and it's pretty much as basic as that. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.